Hello and welcome to another video, Walk Around. My name is Christian and today we're going to be looking at a Toyota C-HR XLE premium package. This is a 5-passenger 4-door crossover in magnetic gray. Under the hood you'll find a 2-liter 4-cylinder driving on 18-inch wheels. Some of your great exterior features include your foldaway mirrors with the turn signals, backup camera, and a proximity smart key system which allows for easy access. But now why don't we hop inside the C-HR and see what else it has to offer. Helping us inside is our key fob here. It's got our lock and unlock button as well as our panic button. Like I mentioned, the C-HR does have a proximity smart key system, so if you got your key fob in your pocket, we can press this button to lock the vehicle. And the foldaway mirrors will come in. And to unlock it, we can just put our hand right in there. Inside the door here, you have some storage space on the bottom. Above it, you have your power windows, locks, and mirrors. The C-HR is equipped with all-weather mats and black cloth seating. On the bottom, you'll find your manual seating adjustment handles, and you got a little lumbar power button there as well. Now, why don't we hop inside and start it up? Press that brake in and press that engine start button right behind the wheel there. We're going to take a look on the left side first. You have your volume options here, and these arrows will allow you to navigate through your your entertainment screen located in the center there. Below that, you have your hands-free calling and your voice recognition system. On the right, these arrows will help you navigate through your multi-information display. Below that are your Toyota Safety Sense buttons with radar, dynamic radar cruise control, and lane departure alert. And behind the wheel, you will find your cruise control speed settings. Moving on to our screen here, we're just going to press later. We're on the home screen right now. On the left, you got any audio that might be playing, and on the right, you got any device that might be connected. We can also press audio on the side here. That'll take you to your sources. You can see you have your standard AM and FM. You also have a choice between USB, auxiliary, and Bluetooth device. If we go into reverse, you got that nice backup camera as well. Down below is our climate control system. It is a dual zone, so the temperatures can be adjusted on both sides. You also have your driver and passenger heated seats, eco mode. Below that, you will find your USB and auxiliary port, as well as some storage compartments. You got a cup holder there. Behind the shifter, you have your electronic parking brake, as well as another cup holder. And before we open up the cargo, let's take a quick look in the back here. In the door, you have a little convenient cup holder. Continuing with the all-weather mats and the black cloth seating. These seats do fold down as well. If we press this button right here, that comes down, giving you access to your cargo in the back. To open up, all we got to do is press this button right under the Toyota emblem, and that comes up nice and easy. We got this nice little cargo cover. Of course, like I mentioned, the second row seating goes down. That'll give you some extra bit of cargo space. On the right and left, it does tuck in. If we look underneath, you will find your spare tire and your tools to change that in case that ever goes out on you. To close up, all we got to do is just give this handle a gentle push. Taking a last look at our Toyota C-HR XLE premium package. Once again, some of those great interior features include your heated seats, Bluetooth compatibility, and hands-free calling. There's still a lot more I didn't get a chance to show you, so why don't you come on down and take it for a test drive. We're located here at Toyota Northwest Edmonton on the corner of 137th Ave and St.Albert Trail. Thank you for watching this walk-around video. My name is Christian, and as always, drive safe.